Alright. Maybe we got... We might be able to get him to die this turn. Let's see.
It's okay. I don't mind watching the boulders go through another time.
I mean, I can do 64 damage, but then we might not get to see the last boulder. Like, will we? Let's see. That'll get it down to like 180.
As long as he's not under 150.
Okay. Well, let's just do this and we'll stop there.
Okay.
And then I'll... Oh, you got plenty of luck. And I just need a little bit more. Okay. Here we go.
So stupid. The little guy at the end.
Yeah.